What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever survived a group project, you know it's basically a social experiment disguised as homework. Today, we're breaking down the chaos of school group projects, the wild mix of personalities you always end up with. Whether you love them or dread them, group projects are a rite of passage for every student, and let's be honest, they're never boring. We're talking about every type of group member, from the heroes who do all the work, to the ones who disappear until the last minute, to the comedians who keep everyone entertained but never seem to open the textbook. There's always that one person who takes charge and another who just goes with the flow. And let's not forget the silent observers, the multitaskers, and the ones who somehow manage to contribute without saying a word. Each group is a unique blend of personalities, and figuring out who's who is half the battle. Why? Because knowing who you're working with can actually make group projects less stressful, and maybe even help you get a better grade. If you can spot the overachiever, the procrastinator, and the peacemaker early on, you'll know exactly how to survive and maybe even thrive. This is your survival guide to group projects. We're here to help you navigate the madness, avoid the drama, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. Trust me, you'll recognize these characters. You might even see yourself in a few of them. Don't worry, we've all been there. From the ones who carry the team to the ones who just make you laugh, we're exposing all the secrets of classroom group dynamics. Buckle up, let's dive in and meet every group project member ever. First up, let's talk about the leader. The one who always seems to take charge, whether you want them to or not. You know the type, they walk into the room with confidence, ready to organize everyone before the teacher even finishes speaking. The second the teacher says, groups, they're already springing into action, assigning roles and making sure everyone knows exactly what they're supposed to do. It's almost like they've been waiting for this moment all day. They've got a detailed plan mapped out, set deadlines for every task, and keep everyone on track. Sometimes it feels like they're saving the group from chaos, but other times it can be a little overwhelming. Their organization skills are impressive, but their intensity can be a lot to handle. But here's the thing, there's a fine line between leading and just being bossy. Not everyone appreciates being told what to do all the time, and sometimes their strong opinions can spark debates or even frustration within the group. Sometimes, they don't really listen to anyone else, convinced their way is the only way that works. They might ignore suggestions or brush off ideas that don't fit their vision, which can leave others feeling left out or unheard. They'll delegate every single task, even inventing roles like group morale officer, just to make sure everyone's involved, whether you want to be or not. Their goal is to keep things moving, but sometimes it feels like they're running the show solo. They're definitely